Day 5. Welcome to day 5 of our challenge, sister. Today, as we are getting started, I'm going to ask you a question that a brother of mine typically asks those who he is doing pastoral counseling with during their session. He will ask the question, who is showing up in the room with you? This question is one in which I want us to reflect on as well as we begin to prepare ourselves for ministry. Why is this important to ask? Because when we enter into sacred spaces, we don't just show up as the age that we are now. We bring the sum total of our experiences, both positive and negative. Now, while some of these experiences have helped us to grow and learn, others have left deep wounds. These wounds, if not addressed, can impact not only our personal well-being, but it also can impact our ministry. Now, we come from a society that often encourages us to suppress our pain, to remain strong, and to avoid vulnerability at all costs. But this can lead us to carrying unaddressed pain, which can manifest in physical, emotional, and spiritual problems down the line. The cost of pretending to be okay is high, often resulting in chronic health issues and strained relationships. Moreover, serving others from a place of unresolved pain can lead to unintended harm, as we might bleed emotionally on those who we seek to help. It is crucial to acknowledge that while God can use us in our wounded state, failing to address these issues can hinder our effectiveness and progress in ministry. Think of it like this. If you were running a race with a pebble in your shoe, you still might be able to reach the finish line, but the journey will be painful and less effective. Addressing our emotional wounds allows us to serve more fully and effectively. Psalms 147:3 reminds us, He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. This scripture emphasizes God's role in healing and restoration, encouraging us to seek healing for ourselves. Now, as we reflect on the topic of today's devotional, I'm going to invite you to answer these 2 questions. The first question is, how have I dealt with emotional pain from the past? Do I face it or do I suppress it? The second question is, where can I seek additional support to help me process and heal these wounds? What steps can I take to move forward on my healing journey? As we close, I invite you to repeat this proclamation of faith over yourself. I am committed to facing my pain, seeking healing, and serving from a place of wholeness and strength. One more time together. I am committed to facing my pain, seeking healing, and serving from a place of wholeness and strength. That is it for our time together, sister. But you have some work to do. Make sure that you follow up on this devotional for today and really take your healing seriously, because God, Jehovah Rapha, doesn't want us to walk around in ministry bleeding on those who He has called us to serve. So you go forth in peace, boldness, and love, using the gifts that God has called you to make a difference in the world. I'll be talking to you again tomorrow, sister.
Hey sis, I hope you were encouraged by today's message. And if you were, I'm inviting you to take your next step of faith by downloading my free Ministry Launch Starter Kit that's going to help you not only start, but grow your ministry. You can get this kit at sisterstartyourministry.com. Again, that is sisterstartyourministry.com.